So very happy to be here. 3 years ago, I didn't have anything to do with insurance. I didn't like insurance. Now I love insurance. I don't know what happened, but I guess I spent a lot of time with the topic insurance, and I want to share where our company is going. And there's some really exciting new stuff that we have launched. It's called One. It's the newest kind of part of our family of the WeFox group, and I'm going to show a quick video of what this is all about.
In a world where digital connections are formed in an instant, where all of us are moved in a constant state of change, where individual experiences and trust mean everything, we feel the need to adapt, to feel secure and protected, to simplify our lives with one solution. One that creates a lifelong partnership. One that uses reliable technology that enhances customer experience. One that simplifies your life, that connects your life in order to protect your life. Welcome to One, the first fully digital European insurance carrier that gets you covered in less than 3 minutes. Now let's get started. Simply tell us your name and where you live. Swipe through a few questions and our AI will instantly find you the right coverage. If you have an existing policy, we'll cancel it right away. It's really that simple. See what's covered and customize the policy to your personal needs. Pay in seconds. And you're done. Gaining access to your digital documents cuts out paperwork completely, making a claim just as easy. Answer some questions and tell us what was damaged or stolen. Get paid instantly. One also rewards claim-free months with bonus points, which can be used to reduce your monthly premium, donate to a charity, or simply get cash back. It's your choice. It's your insurance. Our AI technology offers real-time processing and 24/7 underwriting, and it's API ready for cooperation with portals, affiliates, and third-party distributors. It enables multi-mandate solutions which can be rolled out into other countries and new lines of business rapidly and effectively. And this is just the beginning. One. Simply smart insurance.
All right, so just the beginning, and later on I'm going to go into where the future is, but I really want to also show you where's the past, where are we coming from, why have we started the business WeFox the way we did, because I think it's not really difficult to build something that we've seen just now if you follow the greenfield approach. Technology is not at all the problem. And there's a lot of InsurTech businesses that are reinventing the insurance experience with new technology, and it feels and looks great. But what is the actual problem in really changing something in insurance? It's making the customer want your product. The insurance product itself is an unsexy product. There's always been a push product. People don't want to go shopping for insurance just as they want to go shopping for clothes. And that creates a really, really high customer acquisition cost. And that's the reason why most of the new businesses are failing. And that's the truth. There is the hashtag InsurTech, but there's basically no success out there. Not a single real success case in InsurTech. And the reason is because customers don't care. We can make great videos, we can make great technology, we can make great customer experience. Customers still don't care. And that's why we launched in a very, very different way 2 years ago with what we call WeFox. So what have we done until now? So we went live almost exactly 2 years ago, September 2015. We have a business model that is actually already generating revenue. So this year we're on a run rate of 20 million in revenue approximately. But the most important thing is that we have been able to acquire a lot of end customers. So in the countries we're active, Germany, Switzerland, and Austria, we have been able to acquire around 170,000 end consumers on our app. And we have been able to receive quite a lot of funding from VCs. They believe in our model of going into InsurTech in a very, very different way than all of the InsurTech disruptors. Because from the beginning, and this is a bit of my past, my father has been in insurance for more than 30 years. And when I started looking at InsurTech and insurance and how I can add value, I realized the complexity in distribution. I realized that there's 400 million policies, active policies, in Germany alone. Policies on PDF that are mostly not even, so on paper, that have been scanned, that are not even actual PDFs to be read. So there's a lot of legacy. It was clear for me that we cannot just build a cool tech solution and then from one day to the next reinvent, disrupt all of this legacy. It was just not possible. So for us, it was really important in the beginning to understand the reality in distribution. And the reality in distribution is that direct is a super small part globally. It's a failure so far. Price comparison is a part of that. It's a failure. It's a very small part globally when you look at insurance distribution. 91% of all insurance products today, not 20, 30 years ago, today, are sold by a human being. 50% globally are sold by the independent broker. We have more than 1 million independent brokers globally, managing altogether more than 3 billion customers. This is the reality. It's not the future, but it's the reality. And that's why we have said we're going to acquire end customers by building a really good solutions for independent brokers to be able to manage their entire customer base in a much more modern, much more convenient manner. And this is how we have achieved to grow that fast. If we look at Allianz, 2016, net growth of new customers, 60,000. We're now at 170,000 customers. And we've acquired these customers at very, very low customer acquisition costs by not directly tackling the customer, but the broker who has 500 to 2,000 to 3,000 customers that he onboards onto the platform and serves via our technology. And why would brokers do this? It's because we make brokers fit for the future. Right now, we have around 600 brokers on our platform. We have around 2,000 independent brokers on our waiting list. We're onboarding around 10 brokers per week on our technology right now. And the major reason is, before an independent broker joins our platform, he manages his existing customer base the traditional way. So that means he drives to the customer, does the need analysis. He then goes back, prepares the meeting. Then he goes back, he presents his results. Then he gets a paper signature, he does the administration. And all of the first level stuff is done in a really inefficient manner. So how does this change with WeFox? How is a WeFox broker able to have 10 customer interactions per day with his customer base? Because number one, he doesn't need to take care of scheduling appointments with the customer. This is all based on data and the needs that pop up from customers, event-driven appointments. He doesn't need to prepare the meetings because we know the customer, we know his current policies, we know the needs of the customer, and we know the market, and we prepare the best offers for the meeting with the customer. He doesn't need to drive to the customer anymore by car, find a parking spot, and then go in, but he does everything via our video technology. And in the video technology, he can tip a button, and then the offer is sent to the app of the customer where he can sign digitally. After the meeting, he doesn't need to take care of any admin. And we're taking care of all of the first and second level requests along the way. So he can really focus on what actually matters and where I believe the human being will have a role even in the future in distribution, which is building up trust, interacting with the consumer, not doing administration, not doing preparation. So how does the WeFox platform look like? The WeFox platform has 3 main target groups. So as I said before, the most important is the broker. So the broker has access to the WeFox platform via the broker portal, where he has the ability to manage his entire customer base. For the customer, we have an app or a web login where he has the possibility of looking at his entire insurance portfolio, his current one. If he has any questions that pop up regarding insurances, he has a chatbot here that he can ask questions. If it's more difficult, it's going to be answered by our first level team. If it's really difficult, it's going to be forwarded to the broker via the broker portal. He has the possibility of getting a new offer via the app and signing it digitally. And he has the possibility of making claims via the app. So it's a single point of contact for anything insurance related. And in Germany, for example, customers have 6 insurance policies with 6 different insurance companies on average. So this is the wallet, the only point of contact for everything insurance related in the customer's life. And then we have around more than 300 insurance companies that also work with us on the platform. And here we see, of course, that the legacy technology of the big players is making it very hard for us to improve the broker experience and the insurer experience at the pace needed. So what we are doing here and what you've seen before is that we are launching our very own insurance company. An insurance company that is fully digital and that is seamlessly integrated into the WeFox platform, thus making the experience for the broker and for the customer the way it's supposed to be today. And doing 2 things. Number 1, showing how it looks like if an insurance company is fully integrated, seamlessly integrated into what we call the next-gen API. So how will the customer and broker experience actually improve? We're able to show that. And number 2, building a business case. See how much increase in revenue we're going to see via the broker channel for an insurance company, and make clear that this investment into integrating into the next-gen API makes sense for every single insurance company on this planet. It's a new way for insurance companies to utilize and get the max potential out of the broker distribution channel, a digital access to the strongest distribution channel in insurance today. This is the WeFox platform. Thank you very much.